Okay, my dear ones, we are about to start today's class as it is Saturday, and you know very well about Saturday. So, today you have to speak on a topic that would be given to you in a short while. And you know, our country is very different in a way that we have all the weathers, all the seasons, like summer, like winter, like rainy season, like autumn. You have all the seasons. So, and we are on the verge of starting the winter. So you know very well about winter season. You know very well about winter season. When it starts, what do we do? What types of clothes we wear in winter? What types of food do we eat in winter? What do we feel in winter? And I think you are ready for it for today's topic. And if any student, the student of B20 is not able to, I think that the students of B20 also are able to speak on this because you have to speak all in present using present tense. So, however, if you think that you are not able to speak on the topic, you may listen to others first. And then, after listening to others, if you think that you are not able to speak on this topic, then this is only for the students of B20. They can choose any other topic according to their own wish and they can speak on that topic. I think it is clear to you. So,
सर
yes.
तो टॉपिक क्या है?
बताए ना, तुम सुन क्या रहे हो फिर?
सर जस्ट ज्वाइन ही करा है मैंने।
जस्ट ज्वाइन क्यों कराया आपने 2 मिनट लेट?
और वो
टॉपिक है
दीदी
आज का विंटर.
ठीक है
So
सर।
I hope that all of you would start writing their names in the mailbox or message box. So get ready for it. I am just coming to you. Yes, my dear ones, as I have told you about today's topic, and I have got many names in the message box: Harsh, Rohit, Gaurav, Harshit, Kabir. Okay, Rakshit, Komal, Sushil, Devansh. Okay, very good, very good. I like it. So first of all, I am calling Harsh to speak upon the topic. Yes, come on, Harsh.
Yes, sir. Hello, good evening, everyone. My name is Harshad and today my topic is winter. As one that there are four seasons in the whole year: winter, summer, autumn, and spring. And today I will tell you about winter. In winter we feel very hot, very cold, uh, as the sun is the nearest to the earth at this time, and the winter starts from November and ends at February. In winter, we wear woolen clothes to feel warm,
सब लोग सो ध्यान से
and
अपने आप थॉट्स आ जाएंगे. हाँ.
and we all drink cold hot milk and tea at morning, and in night we all wear woolen blankets to feel warm. Uh, there are many people like winters, but many do not, because in winters they catch many types of diseases like cold, cough, etc. And this affects their health and they become weak. This is the main reason for not liking this season by many people. But the people in Europe and other countries, they like it because in that areas there is snowfall. So they play in that and feel entertaining. So they like this season. Mm, This this season is mainly cold in January, December, January and December. Otherwise, in all seasons, it is like the days of rainy. That's it.
Very okay. Nice speaking, nice thoughts. Keep it up. Shabash. Come on, Rohit.
Yes, sir. Hello, good evening, everyone. My name is Rohit Jadhav. Today I'm going to tell you about winter season. As you know, the winter season starts from November and ends in February. At this time, sun is at this time the Earth is at the longest distance from the sun. And as we all know that summer, as we know that winter is the favorite season of everyone. And in this season, if we eat something extra, we we do not feel like vomiting and these types of things
Yes, yes.
and food poisoning does not take place much in this season.
Very good.
As if we eat much in summers because of the heat in our surrounding, we feel like vomiting, and because of this in a winters people eat a lot, and we should also eat a lot in winters. At this time, we should take bath daily. Many lazy boys and men do not take bath for 30 to 30, 30 days or sometimes 2 months also.
Like the boys?
Yes,
Who?
sir.
Like? The boys like?
You,
Ah, you. I'm not a boy. You are a boy.
sir, but I bath
Yes,
daily.
carry on.
In winter season, people eat moongfali. People eat groundnut with good, and this is the very good food during the summers, as we get a lot of fat and worm due to by eating moongfali. And at this time, at the chorayas in the colonies and gullies in our surrounding, people burn woods and warm themselves for whole night. They get in their own thoughts, and sometimes they talk about they talk hard and hard by keeping them warm. At this time, people take out rajaya from their beds from to keep them warm, and at night put them on put rajais on themselves and get warm. And also many people hate this season, because as my brother said, that in Russia people like winters, but I do not agree with that, because in our India, the winters are not so harsh, so that we are able to grow the rabi crops. But in Russia, there is a lot of cold, so that and the temperature sometimes goes to minus 45 degrees Celsius. And that is why in people in Russia are not able to grow any crop or these types of things in the winter season. So sometimes famine came to them at winter seasons. And also in a winter seasons, many people get diseases like cold, cough. And in winters schools give winter holidays, and sometimes they extend the days of winter holidays. And winter is a favorite for all of us, because in this season we get we are new jackets, which are kept somewhere in a corner of our houses, and
Yes.
we wear them once in a for few months in a year. That's it.
Very shabash. Very good, yeah. When I think about the time when you first came to me, Rohit, I get surprised what you were that time and what you are right now. Shabash, beta, keep it up. Very good.
Thank
I
you,
am
sir.
proud of you, beta. Yes. And now this is the turn of Gaurav. Yes, come on, Gaurav.
Yes, sir. Good evening, sir.
Hmm.
Today is my topic winter season. Winter season is not my favorite, but not the worst,
Hmm.
in my opinion.
Hmm.
Because I don't like winters, but don't hate winter also.
Hmm.
Because
निजामुद्दीन का
in
प्रॉब्लम हाँ
winters,
हाँ
we, because in winters, we have most risk of diseases and other things like cough, sneezing, and you have to always sit in blankets
Hmm.
and wear very heavy clothes
Hmm.
for the protection from cold weather.
Hmm.
And also you have to wear coats, jackets in the school time also, so it have many problems and many advantages also, that in this season the chances of the eating the chances of gajar ka halwa making in
हाँ हाँ
house is increased.
हाँ क्या बात ये एडवांटेज है भाई हाँ
And also
चटोरा
hot
है ये तो
foods,
पूरा दिख रहा है हाँ हाँ
another thing.
हाँ
And also advantage for, and also
हाँ
I don't think, because but I like summers,
हाँ
because you know the all advantages of summers.
हम्म,
And in winters, in early morning there is much fog, very much fog
हम्म,
in our surroundings, and the water is cold in bathing,
हम्म,
and that's why I don't like to bath in this winter
ओहो
season. I don't like.
do you like in summer
Yes, sir.
how long how often do you take bath in summer I mean how when do you take bath in 2 days 3 days 4 days in summer
In summer every day,
every day and in winter
and in winter one gap,
okay
1 day
means
gap.
you have stopped taking bath daily
Because cold, because of cold.
बिकॉज बोल आगे बोल हाँ बोल आगे बोल बढ़िया बोल रहा है बेटा
But
शाबाश बोल बोल हाँ
it have advantages of making hot food, and I like soup
हम्म
in winters.
हम्म
And in winters we can play outside freely
हाँ
in afternoon
हम्म
only.
हम्म
And in my opinion, winter is neither very good best festival, and neither worst,
नाइदर नॉर दो यूज करते हैं कोई बात नहीं बोल तू
neither
मैं भी
not.
सिखा दूंगा सब में हाँ बोल
So I don't like winter, and don't hate winters.
you like summer
Yes, summer and spring.
okay anything else that you want to
No,
say against
thank you,
winter
sir.
okay nice speaking shabash beta keep it up very good yes and now I am calling Harshit
Yes, sir.
Harshit
Hello.
yes
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Harshit Maurya. I'm the student of Raman Online Interactive Classes. Today's my topic is winter. As we all know very well that that winter is one of the favorite season of many students, and it comes between November and February. And in winter there are many things that can be done by everyone.
hmm.
And in winter there are it is it is like most by the people who are lazy too, because in the season we get deep sleep, so that we are able to make ourselves take rest. And in winters we wear woolen clothes to prevent ourselves from cold. And in in villages we can see that there people use coals to keep themselves warm. And at that time many people talk with each other. And in winter, there are many advantages which we can take. Like in winters, the bill of our houses is less than as compared to summer, because in this season we don't need fans, ACs, coolers, and such a type of things. And in winter, there are many things to eat. Like uh, 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 like in this season, we get gajar ka halwa that is too liked by everyone. And in this season, most of the people like to eat peanut and jaggery. And in the season that is there are also diseases which may be caused by the coldness. And this is the disadvantage of this season. So that to prevent ourselves from the diseases, we must be prepared for them. We must improve our immunity not by eating junk foods, by eating the healthy foods which are coming in these seasons and that are beneficial for our health. And we should not think that sometimes we take lemon, and most of the people think that lemon would cause them uh, sneeze, but just don't happen. It's only their psychology. So according to me, every food should be taken in this season. And in the winter season, in the time of early morning, we can see too much fog everywhere, all around us. And most of the children in the season likes the fog also, as by fog they used to blow air out to their mouths, so that they think that the smoke is coming out from their mouths. And in the season, uh, there are holidays also in which we can relax too much. As I told you earlier that we get deep sleep in this season. And and in the season we in the season we have too much to do. And the person who are gardeners have too much to do for their plants to secure their plants. And I think summer is one of the best season that I have enjoyed. And in my opinion, we must enjoy every season. Not by, we should not think about the diseases. We must be prepared for that, so that we can't get cold and such a type of diseases, and we blame the seasons. So be safe in this season also. That's it. That's it, sir.
Nice speaking, Shabash. Nice counter. Very good. Keep it up. Very good, बेटा. Yes. किसी दिन डिबेट अरेंज करूंगा मैं आप लोगों के लिए ना. Yes. Nice speaking. I'm happy. I know all the participants have done their best. Keep it up, Shabash. Kabir.
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Kabir. I'm the student of Ramban English Interactive Classes from HB18. Today's my topic is winter. As we know that there are many seasons in the world, like
हाँ कोई बात नहीं बोल 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 बोल.
like autumn, summer, winter, monsoon, etc. Today I tell you about winter. Winter is a season in which there are mm, winter is a season in which people wear woolen clothes and save their body from coldness. In these days, we only eat hot food and drink tea, hot hot milk, and most of the children drink Bonvita milk.
Hmm.
I also like to drink
Yes,
it.
I understand when you are saying that most of the children do this. I understood that you also do this. Yes, come on, carry on.
Because it is also chocolatey and gives us
Ah,
many
ah,
proteins, nutrients,
ah.
etc. In these days, we also eat bajre ki roti and desi foods also गाजर का हलवा.
हाँ,
Mm,
हाँ, सुनो इनको. हाँ,
there are many festivals also come in the season of winter, like Makar Sankranti, wedding season also. Uh,
wedding season. वेडिंग सीजन. आगे बोल.
we can also in these days school gives us winter vacation. In these days we only sleep in our homes and don't go anywhere because people become lazy in these days
बहुत बढ़िया.
and
हाँ, वेरी गुड. हाँ, बोलता रहे.
don't go anywhere. Like but sometimes but when our school opens our timing is changed and it is सर पहुंच जाने को क्या कहते हैं?
पहुंचने को तो रीच कहते हैं.
It reaches at 8 to 9 p.m. नहीं, AM. And we can go school on time. So our school's time become large. In these days people सर निकालने को क्या कहते हैं?
क्या निकालना है? टेक आउट.
हाँ, people take out their blankets from their doors and people take out their blankets from doors. People like to drink most tea and yes sir, that's it.
बहुत बढ़िया बोला बेटा. वेरी गुड बेटा. शाबाश बेटा. अब तो हो गया तुम्हारे दिमाग का काम. वेरी गुड. यस, कम ऑन नाउ. रक्षित.
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Rakshit Maurya, and today I am telling about winters. As we all know that by the movement of the south part of that in the front of sun, there comes winter in the north part of the earth,
Very good.
and the season of winter is full of coldness, and the temperature is very low in the season. In many parts of India, the temperature is about 0 degrees Celsius, and in some parts of India, the temperature is also in minus degrees, and and in the morning there is a lot of fog,
Shabash.
and there is that the atmosphere is very humid with a lot of moisture contained in the air,
Very good. Huh?
and in this season people like to eat hot food, and people drink tea and coffee to prevent themselves from coldness, and people do all the things that prevent them from coldness, and people wear heavy woolen clothes, and in this season in the west part of India and in the northwestern part of India, there there is some amount of rain that is also known as Mahavat, and in this season rabi crop is grown, because it wants less water to grow, and in this season many specific crops also grown, like carrot, radish, peanuts, and bajra. People like to eat peanuts with jaggery in this season, and many people like to sit together before fire and talk to each other in the night, and they are very short in this season, and nights are very long, and in this season many people are also get caught by some diseases like fever, cough, etc. So people should be careful and should and should keep some precautions so that they prevent themselves from boycotting from diseases. And sir, that's it.
बहुत बढ़िया. सुनना बेटा जरूर अपनी रिकॉर्डिंग है ना. शाबाश
Okay,
बेटा.
sir.
Very good. Nice. Yes, now Komal. आ जा बेटा.
Yes, sir. Hello everyone, my name is Komal Verma and I am the student of Ramban Online Interactive Classes from Batch 11, and today my topic is winter season. We all know that we live in Bharat and there are many different seasons like winter, summer, autumn and spring also, and all seasons are good for us, and we can eat different fruits and vegetables in these seasons, and our surrounding area and weather is also different in these seasons, and winter is one of them, because in the winter season uh, we can feel cold, and winter season starts in the month of November and it is ends in the month of March, and in December and January is the coldest month of
शाबाश.
the winter season.
हाँ आ रहा निश्चित. कोई बात नहीं. बोल
And,
बोल 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 बोल. बहुत अच्छा फ्लो है बेटा. बोल.
yes, sir. And we can eat different types of fruits and vegetables in the season, and most of the people eat green vegetables very much, and we can eat green vegetables in different ways, and like paratha, vegetable soup, etc. And green vegetable is are very important and natural for us, because with the help of green vegetables our immunity power is gained in the winter season, and we can eat moongfali, good, sweet potato also in the winter season,
शाबाश. वेरी गुड. हाँ.
and in the winter season we put woolen clothes to protect us, and most of the very few people um, very few people have chula to eat to cook food,
शाबाश. बहुत बढ़िया. हाँ.
and in the winter season bajri ki roti and makke di roti also prepare, and blankets and woolen blankets also used in the winter season, and winter season is liked by all most of the people, and we can eat carrots in the winter season, and gajar ka halwa is also prepared in the winter season, and winter season is the very beautiful season. That's it,
बहुत
sir.
बढ़िया बेटा. वेरी गुड. शाबाश बेटा. वेरी गुड. And yes, now this is the turn of Sushil.
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Sushil, and I am student of the Ramban online interactive classes from 16. And today our topic is winter season. As we know that we live in Bharat, and Bharat has 4 seasons. First is winter season, second is rainy season, third is summer season, and fourth is spring season. Summer season is full of hot, and winter season is full of rain. Uh, and winter season is full of cold. And winter season comes in November, and it goes in February or March. And in this season, many types of fruits and vegetables come, like radish, carrot, palak, methi, and grapes, moongfali, etc. And we should eat these vegetables because these are very helpful for our health. And in this season, we get to eat many dishes like गाजर का हलवा and सरसों का साग, बाजरे की रोटी, बाजरे की रोटी and paratha of methi, etc. And in this season, people don't want to go outside from their house and they want to sit near the fire or heaters.
वेरी गुड, शाबाश बेटा, बहुत बढ़िया बेटा. हाँ.
And in this season, people use coats, blankets, socks, topaz to save from winter.
शाबाश.
And if someone don't wear, so he may have cold and fever.
शाबाश, बहुत बढ़िया. हाँ.
And students wait for this season because in this season they get holidays to enjoy, but their teachers give them much homework, so they can't enjoy this season.
Very good.
So at last, I want to say that if we have extra coats and socks, so we should give to poor. So that's it.
Very good. शाबाश बेटा, बहुत बढ़िया. Very good. Nice speaking. Keep it up. खत्म है प्रॉब्लम अब तो तुम लोगों की. Yes, देवांश, come.
Good evening, sir.
Very good evening बेटा.
Today is my topic winter season. Winter season is the coldest season of this year. December, January and February are the months of this season.
Very good. शाबाश.
The wind becomes soft and cool. People wears warm clothes. This season is best for picnic.
अच्छा, very good. शाबाश, शाबाश बोलते रहो.
Days are short and night are long. And we enjoy hot coffee and other delicious food in this season. Different festivals like Makar Sankranti, Christmas,
Very good.
Republic Day fall in this season.
बहुत बढ़िया. Very good. शाबाश.
This season, the snowfall in the hilly areas.
देर से बनाओ. There is snowfall. In this season, there is snowfall in hilly areas. आगे बोलो. शाबाश.
I can after rainy season.
हैं?
नहीं.
अच्छा, आराम से बोलो. अच्छे सेंटेंस को फ्रेम करके बोलो.
And winter season can after rainy season.
Comes. Winter season comes after rainy season. अच्छा बोलो, आगे बोलो, कोई बात नहीं है, घबराओ मत. हाँ.
Morning are foggy in winters.
Very good, very good. शाबाश बोलो. Very good.
And winter is my favorite season. That's it, sir.
Very good. शाबाश. Nice efforts. Keep it up बेटा. शाबाश बेटा. Very good. Very good. Yes, now Tanish.
Good evening, sir.
हाँ बेटा.
Hello everyone, my name is Tanish. I am a student of Ramban online interactive classes from batch 19. Today's our topic is winter season. As we know that we live in Bharat, there are many seasons like as winter, summer, rainy, and autumn also. We are. It is my favorite season because in this season we and our I and my family sit together in the front of light and talk some talk with each other,
Shabash.
but we are not healthy in this season. And many people uh, does not bath
Do not bath.
do not bath in the in this season. I ain't with this type of people. We wear woolen clothes and we take out Rizai from the almirah and beds.
शाबाश बेटा, very good बेटा, हाँ बेटा,
We
बोलता जा.
take, we take hot tea and makkahs. At morning we take tea with biscuits. We go to school in morning, but in morning OS is present.
Due.
क्या सर?
ड्यू बोलते हैं उसको, DEW ड्यू. आगे बोलो तुम, कोई बात नहीं, हो जाएगा.
Due is present, but winter's advantage is people drive car very slow. People drive bike very slow. And in this season days are short and nights are very long. And we prepare bajra ki roti on chula.
शाबाश,
And
बोलता जा. हाँ.
and I miss cold drinks in this season. And
Miss
in this
miss cold drink. हाँ, बोल, आगे बोल.
in this season there are in this season many festivals are come, just like as Pakar Sankranti, 26 January and any other. And we take gajar ka halwas and many things in wedding. And school gives us vacations of winter, but teachers give much works, so we cannot enjoy our vacations. And we wear many clothes and people don't go to from their houses.
Go from their houses. तू क्यों लगाते हो? हाँ.
Go from their houses. Yes sir, that's it.
शाबाश बेटा, बहुत अच्छा. अभी सुनना जरूर, अपना रिकॉर्डिंग सुनते हो नहीं सुनते हो?
सुनता हूँ सर.
वेरी गुड, बहुत अच्छे एफर्ट से बेटा, शाबाश. बस अब प्रैक्टिस करे जाओ और बस दौड़ने लगोगे. Yes, now this is the turn of Mahalakshmi.
Yes, sir.
आजा.
My name is Lakshmi Gujjar. I am a student of English interactive classes. Today our topic is winter season. There are many seasons like summer season, winter season, and spring seasons. Winter season is one of them.
Very good. Very good.
Winter season is my favorite season because this season we wear woolen cloth and we buy new woolen cloth, and the sun rises
Very good.
in late in the east, and the nights are long and the days are short. we cook बाजरे की रोटी and मक्के की रोटी etc. We drink hot tea. We drink hot tea. The winter season starts is month of November and the season ends
शाबाश
and
शाबाश
in
बस
month
बस बस
of
आराम से बोलती रहे, बढ़िया बोल रही हैं आप.
month of March.
हम्म,
And we use Boroplus for face and our body remain rough and we use
बहुत बढ़िया, शाबाश. हाँ.
moisturize and many people remain on roof and they talk to each other and they always live on roof and people sit around fire in the morning
वेरी
time
गुड यार,
and
बहुत. हाँ, शाबाश. हाँ.
and school start late and children get up late in morning time
वेरी गुड,
because
शाबाश.
they go to school late and holidays came in the week of year in the last week of year and teachers give many homework and children have to work and this time we make gajar ka halwa and we buy मूंगफली गजक तिल के लड्डू and etc. And this season the flower looks very good and this season we buy many rajais and we wear caps and we look very good and some people do not take bath in winter time because there is a fog in winter time and many people and the snow fell down in house in Jammu Kashmir and many people go there for enjoy and this season is a very good season. That's it, sir.
अरे यार गजब कर दिया तूने तो यार. वही है क्या तू? वही लक्ष्मी है क्या तू?
Yes, sir.
जब तू आई थी मेरे पास कैसी थी और देख अब कैसी हो गई है तू.
Yes, sir.
तुझे भी तो लगता होगा कभी कभी.
हाँ सर.
शाबाश. अब इसको तेरा अचीवमेंट कहूँ या मेरा कहूँ, मुझे तो समझ में नहीं आता.
सर आपका है वो तो सर, मेरे को तो कुछ भी नहीं आता था.
मजा आ गया सुन के आज तेरा यार. यस रश्मि, कम ऑन, आजा बेटा.
Yes, sir. Good evening, all of you. My name is Rashmi. My topic is winter. Winter is my favorite season. In the winters, we feel cold. In the winters, we wear woolen clothes, and some festivals come in winter. The farmers grow crops like mustard, sunflowers, etc.
बहुत बढ़िया बेटा. हाँ बेटा, बोलती रहे बस, आराम से तसल्ली से, धीरे धीरे, कोई जल्दबाजी नहीं बेटा, है ना. हाँ बोल बेटा.
The skin is dry in winter, then people feels lazy, and some places do snowfall, and some peoples in the morning and evening firewoods, and the winter days are short, and the nights becomes big. In the winters the water is very cold. That's it, sir.
अरे वाह, बहुत बहुत बढ़िया कोशिश करी बेटा, शाबाश बेटा. राइटिंग कंटिन्यू रखना बेटा, है ना बेटा? हाँ बस अभी और मंडे से मैं बताऊंगा चीजें। राइटिंग कंटिन्यू रखना बेटा, एक पेज दो पेज एक पेज दो पेज रोजाना बेटा राइटिंग, है ना? बस कोई दिक्कत नहीं बेटा, हो जाएगा तेरा। वेरी गुड, शाबाश बेटा, कंटिन्यू रखो बेटा। यस नाउ मधु।
Hello everyone, my name is Madhu Kumari Meena. I am the student of Ramban Interactive Classes
शाबाश
from
बेटा।
West
हाँ
County. I am telling about the winter season. Winter is a very coldest season. This season usually starts in the month of November
शाबाश।
and ends in February. Um, during this season, our day um, our days short days and mm, when this season the school timing are changed. People wear boots for avoid cold. People wear warm clothes.
शाबाश शाबाश। हाँ
And, we grow crops and green vegetables in in the field. Um, people like to drink cold tea.
शाबाश शाबाश। हाँ
Um, in this season, the students become lazy because they um, do not like bathing in winter.
अरे बंद करो इसको, बंद करो इसको।
Major festivals like Diwali, Christmas, or Makar Sankranti, and Republic Day falls in this season.
हाँ शाबाश शाबाश।
Winter season. Winter is the healthy fruits and green vegetables. That's it, sir.
ओके कोई बात नहीं है, ठीक हो तुम बिल्कुल?
हाँ सर।
आज फोकस्ड नहीं हो तुम। इज देयर एनीथिंग, कोई बात?
नो सर।
है तो सही, ध्यान कहीं दूसरी तरफ है तुम्हारा। ओके कोई बात नहीं, लेकिन बहुत अच्छे एफर्ट्स किए तुमने, शाबाश। कीप इट अप बेटा, है ना? यस कम ऑन। खुशी खुशी गुजर आया बेटा।
Yes, sir.
हाँ बेटा।
My topic is the winter season.
हाँ
There are many types of season:
हाँ
summer season, winter season, raining season, etc. Winter season is one of them. Winter season is so beautiful season.
वेरी गुड। हाँ
It starts in a month of November. We wear woolen clothes in this season.
शाबाश शाबाश। हाँ
The winter season is coldest season
हाँ
of the year.
शाबाश, बोलते बहुत बढ़िया बोल रहे हो, बोलते जाओ बस। हाँ, फोकस करो बस अपने
Some
थॉट्स पे।
people,
हाँ
some people buy, some people buy tilkut,
हम्म,
gajak, मूंगफली, etc.
हम्म,
And some people uh, cook. Some people cook
वेरी गुड।
tilkut laddu, gajak, gajar का हलवा in their home.
शाबाश, बढ़िया, बोलते जाओ।
Uh, uh, the nights are long
वेरी गुड।
and
हाँ
and the days are short in this season.
वेरी गुड। हाँ
School time school time is school time start late in this season.
शाबाश शाबाश, बहुत बढ़िया। हाँ
Flowers look very beautiful in this season.
बहुत बढ़िया, वेरी गुड। हाँ
Government gives holiday.
ओह वेरी गुड।
Government gives holiday in last week of the year.
वेरी गुड। मंथ, ओके, ऑफ द मंथ। कोई बात नहीं, तू आगे बोल, कोई बात नहीं है, ये सब चीजें होती हैं। हाँ
winter season में क्या होता है? We bath hot water
हाँ
from hot water
हाँ, विद हॉट वाटर।
with hot water and some people remain in their
हाउसेस,
छत को क्या बोलें?
ऑन देयर
छत
रूफ्स।
roofs.
हाँ, रिमेन कह सकते हो, स्टे कह सकते हो, कोई बात नहीं, बोलो, आप बहुत अच्छा बोल रहे हो। हाँ
The sun the sun rise late in the sun rises late in this season. I like winter season very much.
शाबाश,
That's it.
बहुत बढ़िया बोला है बेटा। अभी धीरे धीरे सब ठीक हो जाएगा बेटा। अभी तो शुरुआत है बेटा, सब बढ़िया हो जाएगा। बस सही जा रहे हो, लेकिन बस गुड गोइंग। ठीक है बेटा। हाँ, कोई चिंता करने की बात नहीं है। यस, खुशी बैरवा, आज बेटा।
Good evening, sir. Today's my topic winter season. The winter season is the coldest season. Coldest season. It start in the month of November.
शाबाश। हाँ
The nights are long. The days are short.
शाबाश शाबाश, बहुत बढ़िया। फोकस कर कर छोटे छोटे सेंटेंस बोलते रहो बस।
People wear woolen clothes. We get a variety of vegetable in this
शाबाश, बहुत
season.
बढ़िया बोला है बेटा, बहुत बढ़िया बोला है बेटा, वेरी गुड बेटा। हाँ
We also get tilkut,
हाँ,
peanuts and gajak to eat.
वेरी गुड वेरी गुड। हाँ
People sit around fire in the morning.
वेरी गुड, बोलते जाओ।
The sun appears very late.
बहुत बढ़िया।
The sun very late. Schools also start late. Start late. Late. I like winter season. That's it, sir.
बहुत बढ़िया बेटा, शाबाश बेटा। बस ऐसी कोशिश करते रहो बस ना। हाँ, सब हो जाएगा अपने आप, कोई चिंता करने की बात नहीं है बेटा। गुड गोइंग, योर ट्रैक इज राइट, नथिंग टू वरी। बस कोशिश करते रहो, मेहनत करते रहो, है ना। हाँ बेटा, कल मैंने कुछ दिया था शायद और आउटलाइंस, कल तुम आए नहीं थे।
हाँ सर।
वो तुमको दे देगी, खुशी दे देगी।
हाँ मैंने ले लिया खुशी
है ना
से।
बेटा, उसको करना बेटा एक बार, है ना, कल चेक करेंगे बेटा, बस करते रहो आप, सही चल रहा है, कहीं कोई दिक्कत वाली बात नहीं बेटा, है ना। यस आदित्य, आजा बेटा।
Yes, sir.
हाँ।
Hello everyone, my name is Aditya Donawar.
हम्म,
I I read in Ramban online interactive classes.
हम्म,
Today's our topic is winter season.
हम्म,
As you all know that winter season is very cold season,
हम्म,
and this season we wear hot clothes,
हम्म,
and now farmers grow vegetables, gehu, bajra, etc.
हम्म,
And this and government give holidays
हम्म,
is
हम्म,
and 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 now night is big and day small.
हम्म। शाबाश, धीरे धीरे बोल, आराम
Uh,
से बोल, तसल्ली से बेटा। हाँ हाँ।
and the school timing is change.
हाँ,
Uh, and and we and we we live and we sleep with the blanket
हम्म। शाबाश शाबाश।
and
हाँ।
and and we drink hot coffee and tea
हम्म,
and now how there and all people makes ales, gujia
हम्म,
and 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 etc.
हम्म।
And the some winter season start October and November
हम्म,
and finish for in January
हम्म।
and this winters and we celebrate any festivals in the winter season
हम्म,
like Makar Sankranti, Diwali, Illi, Govardhan Puja, Bhai Dooj, etc.
हम्म।
I like winter season. Yes, sir, that's it.
बहुत बढ़िया, शाबाश, बहुत बढ़िया कोशिश की बेटा। कहाँ गए थे बेटा? ओके, थैंक यू, थैंक यू वेरी मच। कोई रहा तो नहीं है, सबने बोल लिया ना? ओके, ठीक है बेटा, थैंक यू।